Hey, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. I'm here with Kristen and Jessica, and Kristen is in the Athens, Georgia area. Jessica is in the Augusta, Georgia area, and they're up here in Knoxville getting some training. And we got a great Ask a Ninja from one of our blogs about waterproofing paint in the crawl space. What they asked was, what should I use to seal the floor joist and wood in my crawl space? Stay tuned. So if you're new to Crawl Space Ninja, we talk about everything related to crawl space encapsulation, waterproofing, and indoor air quality, as well as crawl space dehumidifiers for humidity control. We hope you'll subscribe to our channel and ring that notifications bell. And also follow us on Facebook. As I mentioned before, they are wanting to know what they should put on their floor joist and wood to seal the crawl space. Why don't you take it?
So you would have to use the X70 after you soda blast, but it is all depending on the circumstances of the crawl space as well. You do want to do a total encapsulation with the foam board, with the dehumidifier, everything sealed up before you put X70 on anything, because you don't want the mold to grow.
Let's just back up just a moment.
Okay.
That was a great answer, by the way. And just for those that are new to the channel, one of the things that you've got to do is you got to take out, if there's insulation between the floor joists, right, Jessica? You got to take that out.
Exactly.
And then what's going to happen after that?
Install the dehu and the ABS fan and the plastic as well.
Right, so we're going to install the dehumidifier and the active ventilation system to begin to dry out the wood. And then once that wood is dried out, then we're going to soda blast, apply the cleaner, then the X70.
Right.
And what's the X70 designed to do? What's its purpose?
To seal off the wood completely.
What exactly is in the X70 that makes us want to install it to control mold?
It actually has silver in it to help control the mold.
Now, will the X70 by itself control mold, or do you also need to control humidity and all that sort of thing?
You have to control humidity as well.
That's right. It's almost like a double protection system where you got the humidity installed and you're controlling humidity, but if for some reason you get a plumbing leak from above, the silver is installed in that X70 to help keep mold from growing on the wood. The other nice thing about X70 is it's actually a moisture barrier, so it'll keep that wood from getting too wet and then growing mold as well, right?
Right.
Real quick, what's one of the things that people do or that you see in those crawl spaces down there that they put on the subfloor that is a no-no?
Oh, vapor barrier. The paint kills. There's a lot of things people do thinking that they're helping, but they're just trapping mold up underneath it. And then you can't get to it to actually fix it. And
you said that you guys were working on a project right now where it was covered in kills and the soda blasting is not effective.
No, it's not. Yeah. It's not taking the kills off.
It's a big problem. You get some contractor down there that doesn't know what they're doing, they can make the crawl space way worse, right? So how long have you guys been with us?
I have been here for 1.5 years in the Athens area.
When you first started with Crawl Space Ninja, it was a corporate location.
Right.
And then Al Harris took over and it's now a franchise location.
Correct.
So tell everyone out there how much better corporate locations are to work for than
They're both perfect.
No, but seriously, and you've been with us how long?
Just a month.
A month. This is your first inspection training that you've been a part of?
Yes.
Everything going okay?
Pretty good.
Well, we appreciate you all joining us for this video and helping to answer this question. So if you got a question for these ladies or myself, we hope you'll post it down below. And thank you for watching this video. We hope you make it a happy and blessed day, and we'll see you later.